U.S. Marines push TRUAS drone to its limits in resupply tests. The United States Marine Corps has been rigorously testing the Tactical Resupply Unmanned Aircraft System, TRUAS, to evaluate its capabilities in providing rapid, efficient, and autonomous resupply missions in contested and remote environments. Designed to support small unit logistics on the battlefield, the TRUAS is undergoing its most demanding trials yet, and it's showing promising results. High-stakes testing in realistic scenarios. Conducted at a Marine Corps test range in California, the latest trials pushed the drone to operate under near-combat conditions. The tests included extended-range flights, high-payload deliveries, and autonomous navigation through complex terrain, all while simulating enemy electronic interference and GPS-denied environments. The TRUAS is showing us what the future of battlefield logistics could look like, said Lieutenant Colonel Michael Delaney, Program Manager for Unmanned Systems at Marine Corps Systems Command. We're not just testing its limits, we're redefining how we sustain Marines at the tactical edge. The TRUAS drone is capable of carrying payloads up to 150 pounds over a distance of 9 to 15 miles. Its vertical takeoff and landing, or VTOL design, allows it to operate in confined or rugged environments without needing a runway, a vital feature for frontline logistics. Key features include autonomous flight control with minimal operator input, modular cargo systems for rapid loading and unloading, low acoustic signature, improving stealth in hostile environments, and quick deployment, operational within minutes of arrival. These capabilities are intended to support Expeditionary Advanced Base Operations, or EABO, a concept that focuses on small, dispersed Marine units operating far from traditional supply lines. Lessons learned and future integration. During the trials, Marines conducted live resupply drills, including the delivery of ammunition, food, water, and medical supplies to forward operating units. Observers noted improvements in delivery time, accuracy, and the drone's ability to navigate autonomously even when traditional GPS signals were disrupted. One of the biggest takeaways is the level of trust we're starting to build in autonomous systems, said Corporal James Rivera, a drone operator involved in the trials. The TRUAS did exactly what we needed. No pilot, no road convoy, just airdrop and go. With successful testing under its belt, the TRUAS is on track for potential deployment in upcoming field exercises and operations. The Marine Corps is also exploring integration with other systems, including manned-unmanned teaming and AI-based mission planning tools. As threats evolve and logistics become a growing challenge in dispersed combat scenarios, drones like the TRUAS may become the backbone of the Corps' future sustainment strategy. The battlefield is changing, and so must our logistics, Lieutenant Colonel Delaney emphasized. TRUAS isn't just a drone, it's a tactical advantage.